Good morning, everyone. Today, we are here to celebrate something that speaks every language, crosses every border, and touches every heart. International Music Day. Music is not just a form of entertainment, it's a form of connection, healing, and expression. It's what brings us joy, what lifts us up, and sometimes gives us the courage to move forward.
To mark this special day, we have selected some of the most talented students from our school. They come from different classes and categories, but today they join their voices together in unity and harmony. So now, sit back and enjoy as they present a beautiful group song for us.
Beautiful performance. Let's give a huge round of applause for all the singers for their performance. Their voice reminded us that music is a bridge, connecting hearts, inspire minds, and bringing peace. It's just a beginning.
Thank you to all our participants, teachers, and all my dear friends for making this day so memorable. Keep singing, keep playing, and most of all, keep listening. Happy International Music Day.